no traveling faster than the speed of sound. Coming up on a sequence of events in fairly rapid succession now that the rocket is passing through max Q. First stage main engine cutoff, or MECO. That'll be followed by stage separation. The first stage engine will perform a flip maneuver. Second stage engine will ignite. First stage boost back burn will begin in about 2.5 minutes into flight. Payload fairings will be deployed about 3 minutes after liftoff. Based off the SpaceX timeline, we're coming up on MECO here in now less than 10 seconds. There you see MECO.
NVAC ignition. Stage 1 push back startup.
Good confirmation of those sequence of events. Kind of a nifty shadow on the Falcon 9 first stage booster. Now 3 minutes to flight in real time. Payload fairings will jettison now at this point in real time, waiting for those events from the onboard cameras in just a few seconds. There you see those payload fairings separate. You can see the Worldview Legion satellites there. SpaceX set to recover those fairing halves using their recovery vessel called Bob, named after former NASA astronaut Bob Behnken, one half of the duo that flew the Demo 2 mission back in May of 2020. Confirmation of the boost back shutdown. Coming up next is the first stage entry burn, which is set to begin in about T+6 minutes in real time. Seeing those hypersonic grid fins deploy from the Falcon 9 first stage. Again, that entry burn set to begin now in less than 2 minutes. Those pulses that you're seeing on the first stage booster, those are the cold gas thrusters, helping to adjust the attitude of the positioning of the first stage booster as it makes its way towards Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. As a nice visual on the reorientation of the first stage booster, you can see its shadow moving almost like a clock handle going backwards. You can see they're jutting up from the center of the rocket from our position here on the camera. Now T+5 minutes, 39 seconds and counting. We're now just about 15 seconds away from the start of the entry burn beginning in real time. Still making those call-outs since we do have our tracking camera, hopefully training on the Falcon 9 first stage booster in hopes of capturing either the entry burn and or the landing burn. Again, it is still quite foggy here in Florida, so it's fairly difficult to get views of that first stage booster. The entry burn is now underway in real time. there you see Pete Carson's got that entry burn. Conclusion of the entry burn. In real time, still seeing views from the SpaceX onboard cameras coming in on a slight delay. With the conclusion of the entry burn, we're now standing by for the start of the landing burn, which will begin in about 15 seconds in real time. Landing burn should be underway now. Landing burn should be beginning from the SpaceX onboard cameras here shortly.